sharing my thoughts on underwear isn't normally the first place I go to sort of have a chat with somebody on a video, especially for people I don't know. But I sort of figured that I gotta have to make this video. The reason why is because, well, for the first time in my actually entire life, I want to talk about my pants. So this is the first time I'm going to talk about them. Off of a whim, I was like, you know, you see these like the new trend of wearing like bamboo sort of like fiber boxer shorts or pants or anything else, and you get this sort of like, I wonder if they're any good. I mean, are they really worth the money? So I bought the Danish Endurance ones. Now, these are my size. I mean, I'm a fat person, so, you know, I have to get a little bit more, like, material. But I bought these ones. I bought the black pair, grey pair, and a white pair, because you can buy packs of 3 or you can buy a mix. So I thought, hey, I'm going to buy the mix, because it means I get to try them all out. Now, in the pack, you get your 3 pairs of boxer shorts. Now, I've only got 2 pairs, because I'm wearing one. I'm going to be brutally honest. Now, when I got changed this morning and put on this pair of boxers, the change was significantly different. There felt like there was no weight around my legs at all. Walking, it doesn't feel like I'm sort of like heating up two massive like firelighters about to like burn something down. And I'm going to be honest, if you're a man and you're a little bit bulky like myself, you probably get a little bit warm between your nether regions, right? Guaranteed, you won't have that feeling in these. I've been, because I sit in a leathery chair pretty much all day, because I'm at my desk, I'm at my, you know, I'm on my computer, I'm doing stuff, and it's just, there's lots of time I'm sitting down doing stuff. This is the first day in the last 4 to 5 years since I've been sitting here doing office work and everything else. This is the first time I've sat here and not had to keep getting up and adjusting myself. Now, for a man, keeping adjusting yourself sort of becomes a habit. If you find the right pair of underwear, it's almost as if you don't have to do it anymore. Now, wearing these underwear, I haven't had to adjust myself today. And I've never shared this thing in my entire life. So what you get is you get a pair of boxer shorts, depending on your size, shape and everything else. The waistband is pretty damn good. It doesn't feel like it's all going to break, which is amazing. And the material is so soft and light that I'm actually surprised these are actually... Because I know what bamboo is, but I never thought you'd be able to make boxer shorts or pants out of bamboo. I mean, you can get socks, I know this. And my next thing, I'm literally going to have to buy a pair of bamboo socks to see the difference. But these are absolutely amazing. You get a cool little logo on the back, or the front. Yep, no, the cool little logo on the front, and that is literally the only piece of branding. Now, that is the image of these. So this bit here, the bit that looks like a pair of Y-fronts, is the bit that protects your nether regions, right? You keep it centers everything quite nicely. There's no sort of like swaying left to right. Everything's very center, which is quite nice. Now, when you're a larger person and you've got slightly larger legs, occasionally you might trap your nether parts down there and, you know, rub it against the wrong leg and you might have problems. Now, these don't have that problem. Everything is all the center. It's all nice. The material is so good. And like I said, for the first time in the last 4.5 years of sitting in this chair, I have not had to like mess around too much down there. Now, I'm trying to use every sort of like saying that I can think of without going too vulgar and sort of like too much information. But to put it into perspective, every pair of underwear I've ever worn to this point does not measure up to the ones I'm wearing right now. When you see all those reviews of people going, oh yeah, they're so soft, they're so amazing, they're so light, and you in your head you're like, are you really doing this, or is it just for show? Is it just for the money? I'm going to be brutally honest, these are the most expensive pants I've ever bought for myself, and they are the best ones I've ever bought for myself. I will be buying more of these, and if I can find any more out there of companies that are doing this, I will buy them as well. I am putting my 100% big bum guarantee that these are the most comfortable underwear that I've ever worn in my life. And I'm not even joking. Like I said, I find it hard to talk about like pants and underwear to most people because who really wants to know? But I really want the world to know about these because they are phenomenal.